mount everything to your desk. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, we have already talked about needing to mount things to the desk. I needed a monitor or an iPad or whatever. So, of course, what do? We go on and check out MakerWorld to see what we can 3D print. And lo and behold, I came across this monster of an arm here. This thing was, it was interesting to print. And I'll tell you why. So, let me see if I can find, when you print these out, you print them out in different pieces, all right? And that's cool. You assemble it. It is what it is. There's a couple different types of materials that the original creator put on the print file for everybody to print. I changed some things around. That wire back there is really bothering me. Anyway, don't look at it. So what I did is I just used PLA and PETG. The original creator used, I think, PLA CF, some TPU for the pads here where it actually clips onto your desk. And this is a great print file. And you can extend it out as long as you want, modify it any way you want, make it whatever color you want, things like that. You mount it to your desk here, just like a normal desk mount. Screw it in, screw it up. You loosen this here, the whole thing spins around 360 degrees. You can move it out. You can slide this up and down for different size monitors, iPads. You could probably put a bigger phone on there. There are different holders that you can mount onto the end of this arm. So you can put practically whatever you want on here, or you can adapt whatever you want to your own. Now, I already made a short about this. I will show you one thing. So when you print in PLA or in PETG specifically, there are other materials. I don't know if you can see it or not. There are holes and little pits because I did not dry my filament. Make sure you're drying your filament so you don't run into little issues and things like that. Now, I have not taken the torch to this guy yet because I haven't. And you can see there's a bunch of little hairs coming up from the PETG. Hold on. Okay, so gonna burn these little fur babies off. Burn some of my own arm hair off too. Be careful doing this. Don't do this at home unless you have adult supervision. I don't have adult supervision. I'm supposed to be an adult, but we see how that works out. Now, I don't have any complaints about this print. Other than it printed a little funky, but that's not anything to do with the creator. That has to do with me. Now, these are little screws that print out with it. And focus on the little screws. You can see the little furry. Now, it prints a flat side on them. Oh, I'm sorry. I got to get used to the new lighting in here. It prints a flat side on them because it prints it flat on the plate. No problem at all when you go to screw it in. You might see that on there. You might be concerned with it. It's not a problem at all. I wanted to just hop on quick, share this print because I'm changing my desk around a little bit. This is going to come in handy. I've got my Elgato prompter here. And then I have another camera right here for my verticals, which I want to stick a little monitor or my iPad right next to it so I can kind of see myself there. That's the whole reason for printing this. You got any questions or anything about this? Let me know. Hit me up. I'll link it down below. I'll let you know how this all goes. I'm going to do a whole video on my desk tour review, whatever I'm doing for 2026, and this will be part of it. So you'll see it in there. I appreciate you guys sticking around. Do all the YouTube things, like, sub, comment down below, all that jazz. And for now, happy printing.